At the bottom of the dashboard is a series of tabs that include landing page tabs with menus and filterable tabs. Landing non-filterable tabs should be used as section headers for the hidden filterable tabs that can be found by clicking on the menus. On the landing non-filterable page tabs, please note the information in the reports within the sections, such as those who have been included and excluded, and for what reason. To get to the hidden filterable tabs, you need to select from the options from the menus found on the landing non-filterable tabs. When you click on the option you want, the filterable tab should open up. Please note that any filters applied to filterable tabs do not carry to other tabs, as they are all individual datasets. We've added a number of landing tabs that are now filterable, and you should use them as you would a hidden filterable tab.